Hey guys, Tim here. Different view from usual. So today we're going to do a little problem solving through 3D printing, which is always fun stuff. So my current lighting solution consists of a big ass desk lamp. Can't really see how big it is. So yeah, no, gosh, there it goes. All right, so yeah, just a normal ass lamp with a little bit of a adjustability to it, and just like a pretty high wattage like daylight bulb to get a little bit of warmth to the color, which is great and all, except it's very, very bright. And what I've been doing so far is just, oh gosh, move this out of the way. So I just have the like the shroud or shade of the lamp, and I've just been taking some tissue paper. I saw this on a video somewhere. Tissue paper, throwing it over the top of it, kind of taping it down, and that gives me some softness to the light, and also kind of helps me adjust it for various situations. It works just fine. It's a little messy though. It's kind of a pain to tape it, especially if you want to add and remove different layers. It can be kind of, you're basically wasting, God forbid, wasting tissue paper. But I figure there is a way to solve this. So here's what I want to do. I want to design a little sketch that is basically just a ring that sits around the perimeter of this shroud, kind of presses it down, and it will hold in a little piece of tissue paper like this. So how about 10 or 15 sheets stacked up like this, throw it on here, and then this little thing just kind of sits on top of it. That kind of holds it in place. It's just a friction fit, nothing too fancy. I feel like it's an easy thing to do. We will jump over to Fusion 360 and make a quick sketch and see how that goes. See you there. So here we are in Fusion 360. I'm by no means an expert in this program, not even close, but I know enough to kind of do some basic stuff. So right now we're just going to start with a simple sketch. Make a circle. I measured the lampshade shroud thing. It's about 140 millimeters in diameter. I'm just going to pop that in here. And so what we're going to want to do is make an offset just to bring it in a little bit. This will kind of be the lip that covers the lampshade and kind of holds the paper in place. Need to offset it in a little bit as well, or out I guess it'd be just a millimeter or so, just to add a little bit of a lip for it to actually latch onto the outside of the lampshade. Alright, so now we're extruding. I'm just going to extrude that main piece out a little bit. Alright, so we need to extrude this as well. I'm going to make this one a bit longer because this will be the part that's actually connected to the lamp. Like that. And honestly, that's it. This is all I needed. Great. And then so we're going to add a little fillet to the interior perimeter of the part that goes over the lampshade, just make it a little bit easier to slide on and off. Really just guessing here. Sure. Yeah, okay, that looks good. I mean, it's 1 millimeter long. That would make sense. Just aesthetics, and makes it a little bit easier to attach. Alright, I'm just gonna save this. Lamp and cover. Nope. Lamp cover. And once that's done, we will export that as an STL. And here our pressure slicer. I'm just gonna drop it in here. 2.4, the old version. And yeah, that's honestly it. That's all it takes. And so now we're just going to slice it up, throw it on an SD card, and I will see you guys at the printer.
Hey, so welcome to my garage first off. It sucks. But I've been trying to print this all day, and for some reason it's getting like weird, like I can't even describe it really. It's like it's just not working. I think my nozzle's fucked up, which is good. I bought a whole pack of nozzles when I first started this shit. Let me change that out and see how it does. take these damn things off? Oh, it's back here. Yeah, it's the nozzle. Making progress though. I like this. This technique has merit. It's got fucking. How the shit I did this last time? Baby's crying. I'll be right back. Well, there was that evening. Baby's okay. New baby. Very exciting. But I saved you the struggle of watching me put together that stupid Ender 3 for 2 hours again. Sorry. It's been a while since I've had to take the thing apart. But yeah, it's doing bed leveling now. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Got to recalibrate. Yeah, so I reran the Z-axis calibration tool. It was a little bit higher than it used to be. I think I messed with the BO touch mount, and that probably cost us use. Oh, here we go. See how it goes. Yeah, much better. Much better. All right, off to a good start. I'm gonna let this run for a little bit, and I will get back at you.
So I'm back. After the kerfuffle with the 3D printer, it was in fact the nozzle. I switched out the nozzle and give it a little calibration on the Z-axis, and here's what we got. It was a beautiful little print, and so it's just easy as that. Just a ring with a lip around it that will hold the paper in, and we'll see if it fits. Oh gosh, let's see here. Tight's okay. Yeah, that's it. That's exactly what I wanted. So can you see the? You can't really see the little lip there, can you? No, that's fine. Great. So let's throw some paper under there and see how that did. Just grabbed a random amount of paper, little circle I cut out. So I'm just going to set that on top of there, and we're just going to kind of stick it on there. Yeah, that's not a great fit, but. Hey now, that's exactly what we need. It's a little loose in there. I might have to recut this to make it bigger. I don't want it to fall down and maybe get into the light bulb. That could cause issues. But proof of concept absolutely works. So I'll make some more of these little circle things, bigger size, and next video I will be better lit, hopefully. Awesome. I love when a plan comes together. We'll see you later.